I try to find some water in the tree.
I learned from the ancient Balkans, you can find water in trees, but if you cut that tree whole,
There is the water. Come here. There is not enough water, but little water is good from I'm not dehydrated, but I drink this some little water. I hope I find more.
night is come very early, but I need the build shelter. I need to clear the ground because there will be snakes. When I clear the ground, when snakes and other insects will not be here. Now I'm burned the fire, so that fire keep me away from the other animals and give me a good feeling.
This fire it boosts my morale, and it's really good feeling when you work with fire, and that's very good. I'm trying to sleep. It's a very bad night for me. I'm very tired. It's rainy. It's bad rainy night, and I'm feeling very better. Very, very bad. I'm trying to do off the camera and try to some sleep.
After the rainy night, the sun is finally come up.
Find some food. It's 4 p.m. and very soon it's night, and I need to find some food. I hope I find some insect, but really it's not here. Nothing here. The bad news is I'm hungry for dinner.
When I climb the tree, I looking for my way out to the jungle and orientation myself.
It's about time to find the break! It's scary, but fun. When I'm up here, I see where can I go. That's the way we can go. Let's move. Come here. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's definitely a bear trail. And we were lucky that that bear trail that means the bear is going there, and my way is there. And I'm really lucky for that. Oh, look at it's awesome.
I quickly need to find a way out the jungle because I don't want to spend another night in jungle.
I hope that finally I'm trying the way out this forest. Oh, look at that. Look at that thing. I mean that find the way. Woo! Find the way out of the tree. I think that's my end of my challenge. Finally I'm done. This is the road to the civilization, and I think that's my ticket to go home. And this is my end of my challenges, and that was terrible few days. I don't forget that. Look at the houses there. Yeah, I mean, the house is there. Look at that. Finally, that's the civilization. I'm very happy with that. And I go home.